My name's Theo, and I'm an education manager in a Christian organization. Yeah, I'm part of the academy with my wife Celestine, and we've been part of the academy since around about December this year. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely amazing. The vibe, the energy. I would say the knowledge is the most powerful thing about the academy personally. Well, fundamentally, what I'm finding is the more knowledge that we've grasped, we've been able to apply that knowledge and see instant results come from that. So I think that's been the mainstay for me. We've been learning stuff and we've been applying it straight away. So it's been brilliant. Yeah, I mean, I listened to Samuel probably about 10 years ago at a Christian conference. So he planted that seed into my life. And that seed came to fruition about a year and a half ago when it just dropped into my thought process to join one of his courses. So me and my wife went along. We listened to the course at the crash course, Samuel teaching at the crash course, and it was phenomenal. We were just engaged, and we were like, this is what we need. We need this to go to another level. So yeah, Samuel's been phenomenal. I would say go for it. Don't hold back. You know, financial freedom is part of everyone. Well, for me, it's what everyone should want to see in their life. So I think everyone should go for it. Jump on the crash course, get going, don't hold back, and you'll see the fruit come from it.